Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update of my opinion of what's happening in the gold markets. So here is a daily chart of the price of gold. And I think from looking at this chart, my interpretation is that gold is in a bull market. We've had the breakout here in 2024 above this purple horizontal line. And that's when this market really started to get going. And that was really the confirmation point that we are in a bull market. Currently, we are in a correction since January. This correction is getting long in the tooth. We've gone down a lot in the gold price. Also, time wise, it's getting to be a little bit in that time zone of when the market starts to bottom. So that combination of time and price is there that we could be getting close to a bottom in this correction. In fact, I do think this bottom will stand right here. We may come back and retest that. And right now we are oversold. And I think the bottom is potentially in. So interesting time to take a look at gold as an investment. This is the weekly chart of the gold miners. You can see we really took off here when we broke this downward sloping red line. I guess we kind of meandered around down here, then we really took off to the upside. And we also broke out. This is the old high of the 2011 bull market. That was the end of the bull market, represented by this horizontal red line. So we broke above that, and now we're kind of, coming back here. You also see here on the stochastic that we've got this oversold condition, and we're just kind of hanging around that oversold condition on the weekly chart. I remember from the past bull market from 2000 to 2011, that was a signal that there was a potential bottom if you were in a correction in that bull market, in the last bull market that we had. So we're down here quite a bit. Um, and again, I think this could be a sign that the correction is coming to an end in this bull market in the precious metal space. And lastly, here's silver. Again, we got this big breakout here in September above the old high of the last precious metals bull market at $50 in 2011. And I don't think we just stay above here for a couple of years even or several months. I think the silver market is again just forming a bottom. You look here down at the stochastic, weekly stochastic is oversold. We're hanging around near that bottom, really frustrating the bulls. But I do think that oversold condition is a sign that we're coming to an end of this correction in a bull market. And this is the other reason why I don't think this move is over yet. We haven't seen these juniors really get overvalued. And you look at here, this last column, their price per ounce of gold in the ground. These are just way too low for the end of a move in a bull market. Thunder Gold still below $10 an ounce. It is a lower grade resource, but they do have 3.5 million ounces of gold at about 0.46 grams per ton. And a lot of other interesting names here that I think you'll see these well over $100 per gold ounce in the ground. Some of them will get to over 200, and then maybe we get a correction in these juniors at that point. But haven't seen the riskier assets move up, so the market doesn't quite have that confidence yet to buy these riskier assets. I think it's coming maybe after the summertime. That's often a slow period in the gold market and the stock market as well. But after that, I think this market could get going, especially the juniors. I think that's going to be the place to be in the next 12 to 18 months. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.